Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Math YouTube channel where we grow the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2013 AMC 8, question number 3. Question number 3. Which is, what is the value of 4 times this product over here? So we can really look at this sort of like, I know it's not going to be, because we have 4 on the outside here, so 4 times whatever we have here. And we know that this is probably going to be an integer. So it's definitely not going to be 8, because if we divide this by 4, we're going to have, for this portion over here, we're going to have a non-integer, which we wouldn't work. So we know that A doesn't work and C doesn't work either. So we're left with B, D, and E. Okay, so now we can just divide by 4 to get, because then all we have to worry about is this expression over here. And we're going to have, this is going to be 0, this is going to be 125, and this is going to be 500. Now, if we look at our expression over here, minus 1 plus 2, minus 3 plus 4, minus 5 plus 6, we're seeing that they're kind of moving in pairs. So minus 99, minus 99 plus 1,000. Minus 1 plus 2 would just be 1, so that's plus 1 here, plus 1 here. And 1,000 divided by 2 would be 500. 500 pairs of plus 1 would just be plus 500, which would mean that it matches correctly with option E over here, which means E is our answer.